Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Mrs. Radwa Khalid. I'm a science and physics teacher. Inshallah, we will be together in a series of experiments which is very easy and interesting. We can do these experiments with dad and mommy to get benefit from the time we have in the vacation. This first experiment we have is pepper and soup. Let us know why we have to wash our hands, maybe to protect ourselves from germs and viruses. Let's start together to know with each other. What we need: plate or a bowl, water, ground black pepper, dish soap. The steps: sprinkle pepper on the surface of water. We can see that pepper stand on water and didn't sink. Why does that happen? That happened because of a surface tension. Surface tension? What's surface tension? It is a force present within the surface layer of a liquid that causes the layer to behave as an elastic sheet. It's the force that supports insects that walk on water. Did you notice that? Surface tension is caused by the attraction between the molecules of the liquid. Now, let's dip our finger into water. Very bad. Notice the germs on my finger. Now, we will dip our finger in the dish soap and dip it into water again. Wow! Did you see what happened? The pepper immediately scatters and ran away from my finger towards the edge of the water. So what happens now? What's actually happening is by adding soap to water, we break down the surface tension of the water. This is one of the reasons what makes soap a good cleaner. When soap is added, the surface tension of liquid is reduced. When cleaning dirty dishes or our hands, soap helps to break down the fats because it allows oil and water to mix together. So the oily leftovers on the plate and our hands can be rinsed off easier. A virus such as coronavirus and flu is caused by fat. So the soap breaks down the bond of fat and destroy the virus. And that's what we really want. It's very important to know that we have to wash our hands for 20 seconds at least. And you will find the correct way to wash your hands in the description. Do it with dad and mommy. Make sure you subscribe, like and share with your friends. See you next experiment. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.